Let me record this for accuracy.
You do whatever you
Okay.
like, sir.
I am here to straighten up this, okay? I have a mortgage that is non-existent.
Okay. If it's not recorded in this office, there's nothing we can do to pull that file.
Okay. Okay, so if it's not recorded in this office, Mr. Monete, this property was sold here in your county of Valencia. You did not record it. You sold this property,
If
or
it
the
was
property
brought
was
here to
sold.
be recorded, we would have recorded it. It
Okay.
was not brought here to be
There,
recorded.
if I bring you a book page number and a book number, would you find it? You're
If
telling
you
me
have the
that it's
book
not
number- If
recorded.
you have the book page number, we can look that up.
Final answer. You said
just
it's not
told you.
recorded.
I just told you, you said, you asked a question. If I bring the book and page number, will you look it up? And we said, yes, we will look it up.
You just told me that this is not recorded.
You just said you had a book and page number.
Well, if I bring you a book and page number, it's a different thing.
No, that's the same thing.
Oh, it's the same thing. Okay. Now, this one here is recorded in 1997. Now I have another one that is recorded on the year 2000. But I need to first. I'm the second owner of that property, Mr. Monete.
Okay?
So the first owner must have a deed file here in your county.
If they brought it to file, yes, we would have
If
it.
they
But if
brought
they did
it.
not bring it to file, no, we wouldn't have it.
So, okay. So it will not be available? You're saying
If we don't have it, it can't be available.
if you don't have it, it's not available?
That is correct. That makes pretty much common sense.
Can you see if it's available?
They just told you they looked.
So I bought a property that did not belong to anybody when I purchased it?
That's a different question completely. You asked if this was on file. This was filed.
Well,
This had
yeah.
not been filed.
I don't have a problem with this, okay? Because this is something that is in the system. I want the document prior to these documents, and it must be in the system. Or else I purchase a property without any title?
Is there something different that he's asking for now?
No. It's the master
I'm sorry.
mortgage.
He needs what?
He needs to pay for a title search. We don't.
Oh,
do
you would have to pay for a title search.
Sir, we don't do title.
I don't have
And
to
you
pay
know
for a
that.
title search. Well, I know
We don't
that.
do title search in the county.
Okay,
You'd have
but
to
I
go
do.
through-
I do. You don't, but I do. This is my
Okay.
property. This is public record.
What you're asking for is not, a title search is not something we provide through this office, is what we are being told.
Okay, what I'm asking is for the master deed, sir.
We do not have it.
The master deed. Okay, so you mean you don't have it? I purchased a property that do not have a master deed? Is that what I'm
If they
hearing?
didn't file it,
It belonged
Did
to
you file
somebody
it?
at some point.
did you file it?
Who is the owner prior the current owner?
You just said you owned it.
Yeah, but prior, I did purchase.
And that's what you're
Somebody else purchased. So now, therefore, you must have this on record. What it might be so difficult to understand, Mr. Monete?
Probably because you're asking for different things every time you ask a
Well,
question.
yeah, okay. Well, let's go to the master mortgage, the master deed.
This is the- see?
If there is no master
There is not a
deed
master deed.
in any property here, they come to you, they don't register no master deed.
No, not a master.
In the book of deeds, ma'am, because I'm recording you, and if I
That's
bring you
fine.
a book and page, and I can prove you wrong, then I will charge you with violation of Title 15, Section
You're free to do that.
1692.
You're free to do that, whatever you want, sir. Thank you, Peggy.
I am free to do what, Mr. Monet?
Anything you want to try and do.
I'm charging you criminally.
You feel free to charge me. I've done nothing wrong to you.
No, I'm not saying you've done anything wrong to me. You stated verbally that you do not recognize common law. Is that correct?
Sir, you are getting way out of line. I think you need to leave.
Well,
You're not asking for something.
I
that they can
reserve my
provide.
rights to
You're not-
protect my
You're
protected
not
rights.
asking for something we have, so therefore you cannot get that.
Okay. If I am asking for a master deed, which you're supposed to have by law, in a
We
property.
do not have a master deed.
On this, you do not have a master deed. Final
For
answer.
the final answer.
Okay, then I'm gonna take that as your final answer.
Well, I said it was the final answer, so I
Okay.
think that's probably good for
What
you
I,
to do that.
what I am here to tell you is that there is a conflict in the documents here,
Okay.
and that I want the record to be corrected.
You-
If there is
if you got
no
it on
deed-
record, so feel free.
If there is no deed whatsoever in this property, and I am the legal owner,
Nothing was filed with
why
this office.
is it that this Elizabeth Friedenstein is filing a foreclosure on the property without the foreclosure bond?
I have no idea.
You're supposed to guard these things, mister. What is your background in law? Do you have a...
No, I don't have a law degree.
You don't have a law degree?
No, sir. Hi.
Okay.
Hi,
Hi, how are you?
good and yourself?
There's
I am
this.
not yourself. This is something that is a quitclaim deed. I need the master deed.
We do not have a master deed.
You mean you don't have a master deed? So I purchased a property without a master
Nobody
deed.
filed that with this office.
Nobody
so somebody
does,
would have
okay.
had to have filed that.
Now, let me ask you something, if I may. When some Elizabeth B. Friedenstein comes over to file a foreclosure, you must, by law,
I don't know if we had it.
request, may I finish? Request that she brings the remedy in commercial when she has a claim. Therefore, she needs to file a foreclosure bond.
I know nothing about her foreclosing on the property you have.
It
You
is-
asked for a
it
copy
is here.
of the deed. We do not have that.
Okay.
sir,
We do not have a master deed.
We have given you copies of this. This is like the 7th or 8th time. You have all these. You have all this.
Okay. Yeah. Oh,
So I'm not sure
And that's
who
why
you-
you knew my name when you came in here, because I think
Yes.
I've been here all 7 times that you've come in.
Yes.
7. Yeah. Well, if I appreciate that you are here. If I come here another 7
You
times,
bet, that's my job.
and I certainly appreciate your help for doing your job. So now, if I bring you the book and page, you're saying you don't have a master deed.
I told you if you brought the book and page, we would look that up. That was recorded 10 minutes ago, if you'll look back down what I told you then.
That's fine. That's fine. That's all I'm here for,
Well,
sir.
that's what I answered your question, and now you're trying to twist
You
it.
you asked me to leave when I asked you for
Yes,
that.
because you're asking for things that we cannot provide.
Plus,
Okay.
we've given you all that before.
No, they are not things. They are legal documents.
Call them as you wish.
Okay. Now, since I have you here, I was kidnapped by your men from the sheriff department, and they took my money inside this facility. So I'm charging this Valencia County with theft and also the sheriff
You are
department.
welcome to file with whoever you would like to.
I'm presiding in the Superior Court of Record, and I'm here to inform you to go and log in to the
I'm not gonna
YouTube
log in.
channel.
I can be served if they would like to serve me
the
papers. They can
YouTube
serve me.
channel.
I'm not going to go log on to your website.
You were served. You didn't show up to federal court.
That's your federal court. I don't recognize your federal court.
333 Lomas Boulevard.
No, sir. I answer to the court of the United States of America, not your court.
I give you the case number.
I don't want it.
1
So
2
this is
0.
done.
We can't get anything.
1 2 0.
Tried to answer in. and
I
you
have
wanna listen to it.
I have a case number for you. Please don't leave. I have
don't
a
want
case
your
number.
I don't want your case number.
You are in it. You are listed as a criminal on that complaint number.
I'll probably go to your jail.
What's
too.
your name,
Okay.
sir?
I wish to remain silent.
Okay.
And please do not.
Are
get
you, are
any
you, are
closer.
you done, are you done with your
Please,
business?
please,
Can you get- can you get your
stay
paperwork?
6 feet, please.
Can you get your paperwork?
6 feet. Absolutely, I will.
Okay, go ahead and get it so we can leave.
So you can leave.
So you
I
can
have
leave.
some more transactions.
They're
No,
done.
we're done.
They're done.
We're done.
Okay.
We've given you
So-
everything that you've asked for.
It's time for
But
you to
listen,
leave.
may I have your
It's time
business
for
card?
you to leave.
I have to
It's
get some
time for you to
information.
leave.
I will leave immediately.
Okay, then grab your stuff
May I
and let's
have the
go.
number so I can give you the book and page number?
You have the number.
Your business card, please. What can be so hostile? Somebody files a foreclosure in your property, sir. Then you come over here, you find out that the property was illegally sold to you. That's why I'm here for. Nothing wrong with it. Nothing hostile.
But if they've given you all that they can give you, then there's nothing else that we can do here.
The card's
Okay.
The card's right there.
Okay, absolutely. You
Okay.
are stating that they gave me everything that they can give me,
Yes.
but I have to give them a book and page of the document that I need.
Okay.
Okay?
This is like the 7th or 8th time.
And you've already
I
given
can,
it to them, so.
I can be here 10 or 15 or 20 times. Regardless, you're a public servant and you're supposed to comply under your oath
And we
and
have.
contract.
And we don't even charge you for those.
You can,
So
if
you
you want to charge me, that's fine. You're saying you are not charging me. You're supposed to charge to provide public records in this pandemic? Answer yes or no.
All right, sir, you got what you needed. Let's go.
Please don't call me a sir.
Whatever, then let's go.
Don't call me whatever. I know we're leaving.
You don't want to give me your name, so
Look.
I have no choice but to call you whatever or sir.
My
whatever.
name is
So I'm trying to-
Legion. My name is
Okay,
Legion.
let's go, Legion.
So we are many.
Okay, let's go.
I'm a
Let's
living
go.
soul created on
Let's
the
go.
image of God.
Let's go.
go. Yeah, sure.
go outside.
What is the problem? I come over here recording.
You're causing a disturbance. I don't care if you're recording or
not a
not. We're recording
disturbance.
too. Let's go.
It's not a disturbance.
go.
After you.
After you.
Please don't get any close because
Let's go. Keep
I
moving.
understand that the 6 feet,
Then keep moving.
the 6 feet distance is a
Just
must.
keep moving.
I am.
Do you need a pen?
And your name, sir, and your batch number?
Cheese and macaroni.
Cheese and macaroni. One, two, three, nine. Cheese and macaroni. Final answer.
Legion.